I sound really fine. 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어 나 봐. 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어. Hey, hey, hey.
Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Swati Ganesh Creations. I hope every one of you are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how I created my statement wall. Actually, whenever I look at a picture on Pinterest or Instagram, I was so much influenced to try something out like that. But I was little afraid before starting because I didn't know how the space will look after I put on so many things on the wall. But to my surprise, I loved the end result. I hope even you guys will like it. So here there is no much DIYs, and I'm just going to paint all the shells and trays whichever I had earlier with me. I'm just going to use some colors like yellow, teal. I'm just going to stick Buddha decoupage paper in this tray. Sorry, I lost the clipping. I'll put the link of my other decoupage projects. You can check out them in the description box. And for the next DIY, I have just taken this wooden key holder, and I'm just going to use teal color to give it distress look. I have lot of bamboo trays with me which needed a makeover, so I'm just giving them a makeover to use them in my statement wall. This is actually the design maker which we can use to make designs on the saree. My mom was used to do it, so now she's not using it, so I thought why not use it in the statement wall. So I'm just going to paint the surrounding with orange color, and you can see the blue region right there. I'm going to stick some ethnic cloth. So this is the wall that I'm going to transform today. I just wanted to make it into a statement wall. So before starting, what we have to do, we have to just remove all the artifacts that are there on the wall. So before making the statement wall, you can just place all the pictures that you are going to use on the wall on the floor, and that would give you some clarity on how you can put the images for a better outcome. So let us start decorating the statement wall. The first thing I have taken here is this hanging planter rope, and if you want to know how to make this rope, let me know in the comment section below. So I'm just going to place a ZZ plant in the hanging planter. So hanging planters are really very useful for people who stay in rented place. If you are a plant lover, then you must try these hanging planters. And I'm going to hang my DIY Buddha and this DIY shelf. If you want to know how I made them, do check the links in the description box. And on the hanging shelf, I'm going to place my Ganesh painting. This also I did recently. I have shared the link in my channel. You guys can check it out. And I had this basket with me which was lying around. I thought of using it in the statement wall, because in the statement wall we can tend to experiment with different objects. So to my surprise, it turned out to be good. And in this basket I placed one artificial succulent plant. Even near Ganesh painting, I used some succulents. I just used my daughter's toys and empty glass bottle to place these succulents. So I'm just going to take this tray which we painted, and I'm going to place this goddess statue in it. Since this is like a traditional statement wall, I thought of using some brass figures. I'm not going to use any big ones. I'm just going to use small ones. So, and it will be perfect decor for this festive season. told you guys, right, I have used this decoupage Buddha on that organizer. So I'm just going to put it over here. So I had this shelf with me which I'm going to use here, and I'm going to place some small brass items. So do let me know if you guys are liking it, or if you don't like it also, do let me know in the comment section below. That basket actually looks so good on the wall, right? I just loved it. Even in that basket, I'm just going to place one artificial succulent plant. And we painted this, right? So I'm just going to place it over here. And that completes our statement wall. So now coming to the sofa looks so plain, so I thought of adding some cushions. I'm just going to add 2 cushions here, because so much cushions and too much things on the wall, it might look clumsy. So I thought like 2 cushions are more than enough. On the side is the floor lamp. I'm just going to use this ottoman here. And on the other side, I'm just going to add this metal stand, and I'm going to place some plants. I got this Buddha face planter recently. This costed me around 350 rupees and I just love it. I'm just going to place it over here. So now I'm just going to add one carpet, and I'm going to place a center table on it. So I'm just taking a wooden basket here in which I place these floating flowers, and I'm just going to keep it over here. So on the top, I'm just going to take this painted tray, and I'm going to place some brass figures in it, and that's it. I'm not going to overcrowd it, because we have already put lot of things on the wall. So I wanted this sofa and center table to have some minimum decor. So guys, are you ready for the final look? Here comes the final reveal. Doesn't it look like Diwali is already here? I just loved the statement wall. Do let me know your comments in the comment section below. And some of you wanted to see how the wall will look without any fairy lights or this LED string lights. So I have even kept that video clipping for you guys. So guys, this is the look without any LED string lights. So I hope you guys would have liked this video. If you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up, because that's going to motivate me to do more such videos. And I hope this is a perfect decor for this Diwali. So do let me know your comments in the comment section below. And if you are liking this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Wouldn't it look like a perfect backdrop for our photos that we would take for this Diwali? Do let me know your comments in the comment section below. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing and also clicking on the bell icon so you get notifications of all our future videos. I'll see you all in the next interesting video, friends. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Bye bye, friends. Have a great day.